How you doing, guys? Chris here from Divergent Drones. Well, DJI has put out their official teaser trailer for the DJI Mini 3. But what does this twisting and turning, deepening and sharpening image actually mean? We have our theories, and none of these theories include waterproofing, so these little water droplets are kind of there just for decoration. At first we thought maybe it was about their night shooting capabilities of the new sensor, but then we kind of thought about their ability to make the lens twist vertically so you can record directly to Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, etc., other social media platforms. So if you've been following any of the leaked photos over the last weeks of the drone, and you'll know that there's been plenty of images of the new Mini 3 that's coming, and there's even now an unboxing video. It reminds me of how the Air 2S was released early by Best Buy, and the guy unboxed it there as well. As you can see in these images, you get a pretty good look at the drone and also the controller that comes in the Mini 3 Pro version. I was actually very surprised to see that this unboxing video was released before the FCC video. They must be waiting to release the FCC information till the last minute, so I would expect to see that around the 8th or the 9th before the May 10th release. If the cat wasn't already out of the bag, it definitely is now. The DJI Mini 3 will be released on the 10th and available for sale around the 17th of May. And because of some leaked store listings, we know that the Fly More package is actually a separate package that you can buy separately and not necessarily as a combo with the drone. So stay tuned for more updates. The Mini 3 will be released soon. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.